Ever wondered why camels have humps? It's a question that has puzzled many, and it's time to uncover the truth. You might have heard that camels use their humps as water storage tanks, but is that really the case? Could there be more to these iconic humps than meets the eye? There's a whirlwind of misinformation out there, but we're here to clear the air. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a journey into the fascinating world of camels. The truth about camels and their humps might just surprise you. Contrary to popular belief, camels do not store water in their humps. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's delve into what they do store in those iconic humps. Fat. Yes, you heard it right. Those humps are essentially reserves of fatty tissue. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a desert, no food, no water, just endless sand. How would you survive? Well, for camels, this is just another day in their life. They can convert the fat stored in their humps into energy and water. This incredible adaptation allows them to endure in harsh desert conditions, sometimes going for several days or even weeks without needing a sip of water or a bite of food. The hump acts as a personal pantry and water tank, keeping camels nourished and hydrated when resources are scarce. So, next time you see a camel, remember this. A camel's hump is really its own personal survival kit. Did you know that not all camels are the same? Indeed, we can broadly categorize camels into two types, dromedary and Bactrian. Let's delve into what makes each of these camel species distinct. The dromedary camel, also known as the Arabian camel, is the one-humped variety we often picture when we think of camels. They are native to the hot deserts of the Middle East and North Africa, and have been domesticated for thousands of years. On the other hand, we have the Bactrian camel, which boasts two humps and is native to the cold deserts of Central Asia. These camels are hardier, with a thick coat of fur to protect them from harsh winter temperatures. Interestingly, the number of humps is not just for show. For dromedaries, the single hump stores fat, which can be converted into water and energy. Bactrian camels with their two humps simply have double the storage. So, whether it's one hump or two, each camel species is uniquely equipped for its environment. Camels are much more than just desert dwellers with humps. These creatures are equipped with a set of fascinating capabilities that make them perfectly suited for the harsh desert environment. Let's dive into some of these remarkable traits. First up, their noses. Camels have a unique feature that allows them to close their nostrils during sandstorms. Think of it as a built-in air filter, keeping the sand out while still allowing them to breathe. How cool is that? Next, let's talk about their eyes. Ever notice those long, beautiful eyelashes? They're not just for show. These lashes serve as a protective shield, keeping out the desert sand and glare, and ensuring that camels can navigate their surroundings, come wind or shine. But that's not all. Camels are also champions of endurance. They can withstand extreme temperature variations, from freezing cold nights to scorching hot days. And you thought your weather mood swings were bad. Finally, their carrying and traveling capacities are nothing short of impressive. A camel can carry up to 300 pounds for miles without breaking a sweat, making them the go-to transport for the desert-dwelling communities. And let's not forget their ability to go days, even weeks, without water. It's like they have their own built-in survival kit. In sum, these creatures are much more than their iconic humps. With their unique abilities to adapt and survive in harsh conditions, camels are truly the superheroes of the desert. So, what have we learned about camels today? Well, quite a lot in fact. We've unraveled the mystery of the hump, which, contrary to popular belief, isn't a water tank, but rather a fat storage system that allows camels to survive for periods without food. We've also delved into the world of camel classification, distinguishing between the single-humped dromedary camels, found primarily in the Middle East and Africa, and the double-humped Bactrian camels, native to Central Asia. Each has adapted impeccably to their respective environments, demonstrating the incredible resilience of this species. Furthermore, we've explored the unique capabilities that make camels so well suited to harsh environments. Their ability to regulate body temperature, combined with their specially adapted feet and eyelashes, allow them to traverse sandy dunes and withstand blinding sandstorms with relative ease. Camels, with their quirky humps and incredible endurance, are undoubtedly one of nature's most fascinating creatures. So the next time you see a camel, remember, there's a lot more to these creatures than meets the eye.